So hi everyone. In this question, like what the question is saying that the diagram showing the correct path of the ray after passing through the lens are. So there are numerous diagrams are given, and I hope you have learned all the like all the ways Cartesian coordinate system you have learned, like Cartesian convention system. Okay, and you have learned when a light ray is passing through optical center, how it is going to move. If a light ray is parallel to principal axis, after this, when it is going to reflect, it will pass to a focus. If it is passing through a focus like this, it become parallel. So these are the basic rules by which we are drawing the ray diagram. So that's only we have to check a light ray that is passing through optical center. It is going undeviated. This is first rule. That is correct. A light ray parallel to principal axis, it will pass through a focus. That is also correct. A light ray that is passing through a focus become parallel to principal axis. That is also correct. But you can check. It is passing through a principal focus, but it is not parallel to that is not correct. So which option is correct? First, second, third. Option C. Clear? Thanks. Thank you, Lord.